Hello. So here's my plants I have. This is Burpee Peppercini, and it's this plant. And then this is Roma Tomato, Burpee. That's this plant. Been growing for like maybe 2 months. The Roma Tomato plant took like literally like 4 or 5 days and like it sprouted. This one took like a week and a half, 2 weeks. But I think the Peppercini needs to be like hotter weather. This was just perfect. That's kept it under. This light, I think it's like a fluorescent or LED bulb. Gonna try to grow it and harvest some Peppercini and some Roma Tomato. I had some other seeds. I left them outside, like 100-degree weather, got sunny. And I think I killed them, so I had to get those too. But they were burpy too. So if you have seeds, it's like 100 degrees, don't leave them out there because I think it kills the seed. But yeah, I'm gonna grow these. I'm about to put them outside, and hopefully in a couple months I'm gonna have me some tomato and some peppers.